Morning, everybody. Well, early afternoon. This is Christoph from Dusty Trails 4x4 garage, and just recently recovered from a really bad bout of flu. Thought I was going to die. Kind of was hoping I would die, but I didn't. I'm back. So, trying to get my sword arms back in shape because I need to be out there in armor doing stuff. So these are my pels, or this is my pel. I made them out of tires so I could beat them and I won't break them. This is my cold steel. There's a polypropylene, yeah. Unbreakable, even though I notched it right there. It's supposed to be unbreakable. Practice sword. I like it because it's oval shaped, so I can really tell when it hits sideways or flat versus on the edge. And it's actually a little bit heavier than my rattan stick, so that makes it a good practice weapon. So here I go. I'm going to do 100 whacks because I'm still trying to get my body back into the concept of doing stuff. So we'll see. I can count off as I go. The last one kind of went a little wonky with the left arm, so I'm at 50. Uh-oh, stuck on a root. That's 100. I'll do a few more. $120. Before I stopped doing this last fall, because it got busy and it got cold, I could whip out 200, sometimes 300 whacks. You know, split between left and right. Now I'm at like 120 and I'm like breathing heavy. Alright, I don't know how long that took, but that'll be it for today. Because I got other stuff I got to do. Catch y'all later. Check our merch. Should be on the bottom of the screen somewhere. And like, subscribe, share. If you have comments, let me know. And yes, I'll even come out with armor and do this at some point. But right now, just trying to get back in the swing of things. Pun intended. See y'all later.